As auto repair goes high-tech, top technicians can earn over $100,000 a year. Now the terms mechanic and wrench, they're long gone. Now it's auto repair technician and certified technician. And this change in title reflects the fundamental changes in the automotive industry, and it's completely underway from the top to the bottom. And the complexity of today's vehicles have really gotten a lot more complicated with electric cars and hybrid technologies and all these great new screens. It's created a demand for skilled and experienced experts, and you don't need a 4-year degree. If you're seeking a job or know someone who is, this 3 minutes will be worth your time. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Lauren Fix. If this is your first time here, we do a lot more than car reviews and first looks of new vehicles. We give you car smarts, because knowledge is power. Make sure to subscribe and click that little bell so you don't miss anything. For at least the last decade, auto dealers and repair shops have been in great need of skilled technicians and other workers in the industry. And the average car since 2010 has about 10 million lines of code. It's now increased tenfold and beyond, and by 2030, we'll have 300 million lines of code. And manufacturers are beefing up their software and changing their electronics, and they need service technicians to help. So how do you get training or know if this is even a good field for you? Many places are offering in-person training and web-based training to make it easier. And a technician requires general mechanical ability, good diagnosing issues, computer skills, problem solving, and people skills. If you have those skills, this might be a good field for you that you may have not thought about. Now, what are the average salaries and where can you get a job? There's a lot more tips on the auto industry and some information that will help you in my book, Lauren Fix's Guide to Loving Your Car. The link is down below. Entry-level salaries average around $31,300. Now, if you're a master ASE technician, your average salary's in that $77,000 range. Further up the ladder, a parts manager's salary averages around $98,600. A service manager, $120,400 on average, and a fixed operations director who oversees service, parts, and the body shop, around $191,000 a year. Sales, marketing, and management jobs, they need to be filled as well at all levels. And I've been a part of the auto industry my entire life from all aspects. And I can tell you that this industry is different than others. You become part of the family, there's places to grow, and it's worth your time to check it out. Here's the bottom line. There is a simpler and smarter way to find a job in the auto industry, whether you have one right now or you're thinking about a change and you're trying to look for the right job. Check out usamotorjobs.com. All you need is your phone or a tablet or a computer, and it's really easy. Either you load up your resume or put in your history and start looking for jobs. There are immediate job openings available across the whole United States. There's more information on their website, usamotorjobs.com. It's available in English, Spanish, and in French. To advance your education in automotive, there are some scholarships available through many different groups, including techforce.org and the Piston Foundation, just to name a few. Most technical schools do have scholarships available as well. If you got value from this video, make sure to like it and share it with your friends and subscribe. If I didn't answer your questions, put it in the comments down below and I'll get you an answer and try to help you find a job in the automotive world. Don't forget to check out our all-new website, carcoachreports.com. We have some new contributors, and hopefully you'll join us. It's in English and in Spanish. There's a lot of things going on in the auto industry. You can check that out on our social media on all platforms at Lauren Fix for more information. Don't forget to check out our podcast, Total Car Score, on all platforms. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time.